The subject is how we use the music in the, we normally use a fight dance, but today I will show you the slow waltz. How we use the music, how the music system change our technique in slow waltz, how the music change the ability to express by the body, and the technique allowed to connect with the music to do the maximum expression of the sound and the harmony of artistic part.
Pietro Braga, please welcome.
Good evening. So, first of all, I would like to thank you to Mr. Asis Khadjeh and Roberto Banaza to create again a fantastic camp, because with the camp was really, really grateful. Also with Mr. Helmut, and we're missing this opportunity. And a big, big pleasure to be with you today, and again in this appointment of the dance sport. And so, it's time to start. My subject today is how we use the music in slow waltz. How the music changes the technique in slow waltz, how we adapt our technique by the music. If I will ask one couple how you count slow waltz in simple way. How many quarters we have in slow waltz? 3 quarters. So when we dance slow waltz, how we count this 3 quarters? Classic 1, 2, 3. Or we have a different system, no? How would you like to have a coming? 1, 2, 3. Maestro, can you play the number 7, please? So we count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Is enough? No. Why? You need a 1? 4 quarters? No. Can you please use the music? Repeat. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1. Is better? Okay, if this is better, Joe, can you show me how you put 1, 2, 3, and in the simple steps, 2, 3, spin, then turn it lock. Are you ready? Alone, without 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Bravo, good. Don't move. This was correct if dance alone. If Joe danced with a partner, the result of the music was correct or no? Come on. I will choose another boy. Ricciolino, mushroom style. Joe was perfect in the time. 3, 1, 2, 3, and. This is correct technique. You close the feet, you lowering, and you prepare. But between Joe and the partner, we have a reaction time. So this 3 and is enough, or is as wrong how we count this end? Three seconds, Ricciolino, if you don't replay, everybody will dance left turn, Vienna's waltz, 45 minutes. Wrong the way to count. So which option we have? And 1, 2. Can you make music again? We try again. Before. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Second version. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1. Third version. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. This third version is different. We change the 3 and we are put together. Now, if I change the counting of the music, how I relate, how I put these 3 and in my body and in the mechanic to move like the steps Job before showed to us. Dottore, you don't understand my questions? If we count this way, 1, 2, 3, 1, what will be different in our body to allow to use this musicality and make coordination between man action, woman reaction? You want to show us, please? Alone. And you count. One, 2, 3. Okay, stop. It's like Joe was blocked. Was more blocked than Joe? Yes. Doesn't work. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 1, we change the way how we use the body. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3, 1. You are busy by the filter. For sure, we have different levels. This category must learn to close the feet, to lowering, to move feet. But we have a lot of good couples here. If you are continue to dance like we play music, I play music, and in the same moment, action reaction is impossible to see. So what is the point? Musica maestro? We change this at 3 end, okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3, 1, 2. So you play with the body timing and the feet timing different way. Okay? Question? No. To use this body mechanic action, you relax now. Thank you so much. My timing, you are perfect. Bravo. I explained the rhythm of the music. I will show you the body action, but it's not enough. Now, which body action we must to produce to use a correct action now in relation to the partner? Dimoschi, vieni qui. No, do you know this? I know you're not sure. Don't worry. When we dance, we change the weight. When we change the weight, we change the stability. If we change the stability, between stability, we have also shape. Stability transfer the weight, and then we have a shape. This shape action we call shift. And then we have a stability, shift, rotation, opposition, move. Stability, shift, shift, forward, forward, and then movement. Bravo. We must use the body for different activities. If I block my body together with the feet, never can reach these fantastic musicalities. But if I allow my body to use the normal component like balance, between the balance, the component of the shifting to create this resistance, this movement, this timing, and then you are continue, is the first part. Second part, after you shift, you move your body, you have by spine absorption rotation. This rotation is coming together opposition of the head to the feet, And then you are correct, and you control the feet to move again. Not to arrive in one side and dance with the beat. So we dance with the beat when we are block this activity. So guys, slowly with me, can we try first? Make slow music, very soft, all together with me. Space. So we have first stability, means change the weight from one leg and our spine past the feet. I will change again. I will change again the balance. Be careful now. I will change first shape and then step stability by the chest shape. And then backwards stability and then shape. And then stability, shape. Be careful of the shape. Spine, T5 of spine create rotation, head opposition. And then stability, shape, rotation, opposition, and continue. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 2, and 2. Thank you. Difficult? Not so much. I will give you some steps, and then we create this in steps. Can you help me, Christy? Maybe I remember. How would you like you dance? Preparation, natural turn. After natural turn, we have one step back, redirection spine, outside change, outside partner, sorry, and natural turn again. Okay, slowly, man behind me.